Cornel, we celebrate the end of the school year and all the hard work our students have done with an epic water balloon fight between teachers and students. It's a joyful, splashy way to say goodbye to the year and hello to summer.
Yeah, you and Olivia together. You are the new KTV girls.
This is Cornel, and students of the month are really swell. We are so awesome, yeah, and we gonna take
Means our student of the month is someone who has improved in every single area. He's learned how to make friends, learned how to be helpful, he's learned how to be kind, and he's one of my best friends. And they've been working so hard at graduation, and they have so much sass and attitude for their parts. Awesome! And share and telling me so many things they did on their weekend. Our student of the month is Sarah.